Now let's just move on further towards the question number 6, which says from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degrees. So let us suppose if I'll draw the whole situation. So we have a 7-meter high building. So let us suppose if I'm taking this as my 7-meter high buildings, this is my 7-meter high building, and further it says the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower means from the top of this 7-meter high building, we are just looking at the top of the cable tower. Let us suppose this is my cable tower. Let us suppose this is my cable tower, and it is actually making an angle of elevation of 60 degrees with the top of the cable tower. So if this is my cable tower, let us suppose if I'll write, or if I'll rather than writing, if I'm drawing a 90-degree angle over here such that this is nothing but my horizontal level, and this angle which is formed over here is nothing but 60 degrees as per the given question. This is 60 degrees. Let us suppose I'm making it as a solid one. Now further it says that the angle of depression of its foot, the angle of depression of its foot means that the angle of a depression which is given to us to its foot, means to the foot of this particular tower, is nothing but 45 degrees. So this angle is given to us as nothing but 45 degrees. So obviously if this is the horizontal level, then with the horizontal level, the line of a sight is actually making an angle of 45 degrees. So this is the angle of depression that I'm getting. This is the angle of elevation. This is the angle of depression. Now further we can see over here, if these two lines are actually parallel to each other, and this is an angle of 45 degrees, so this angle is also an angle of 45 degree. Why? So because they are forming an alternate angles, because if this is 45, then this is also 45 degree angle. So hence using this particular concept, we can further calculate the various values over here. So let us suppose this is my A, this is my B, this is my C, this is my D. So always remember, in case of the angle of depression, the angles would always be formed in such a manner, but we always have to take the angles in such a manner using the concept of alternate interior angles, that if this angle is 45, then this angle is also 45. So after making after using this angle of depression in such a manner, we can further calculate the values. So let's just see how we can. So first of all, we have to calculate this total DC, as we have to find the height of the tower. So we just have to calculate this total DC. But here we can see that this AB is actually 7 meters. So if this is 7 meter, then this is definitely 7 meter. Let us suppose I'm calling it as E. So this is definitely 7 meters. So let us suppose if I'm writing over here, since AB is equal to EC, which is equal to 7 meters, as you can see from this diagram, this is 7 meters. Now let's just calculate this BC. How we can calculate this BC? As you can see, this is 90, this is 90 formation. So we can say in the triangle ABC, we know that the tangent of angle C is nothing but perpendicular by base AB by BC. So using this particular concept, we can able to find out the BC. So let's just see how. We have tangent of C. C is nothing but 45 degree. So this is tan 45, which is equal to AB. AB is 7 and BC is remaining as it is. We know that tan 45 is 1, so this is 1, 7 BC. So hence at the end we are getting BC as nothing but 7 meters. This is nothing but 7 meters. So hence if this is 7 meters, then obviously this AE is also of 7 meters. So since we can write it over here, since BC is equal to AE and AE is nothing but 7 meters, then further we can calculate the DE value. So as you can see in the triangle DEA, we know that this is also 90 degree. So hence DE means tangent of angle of A is nothing but perpendicular by base, which is the AE, and further tangent of 60 degree is equal to DE by AE. AE is nothing but 7, so this is nothing but DE, which is equal to 7. Tangent of 60 degrees is root 3, so hence we are getting DE as nothing but 7 root 3 meters. So DE is 7 root 3 meters. If this is 7 root 3 meters, then the total height would be nothing but DC, which is equal to DE plus of EC, which is equal to 7 root 3 plus of root 3. Hence this is root 3. We can 7 root 3. This is actually nothing but 7. So this is not root 3. This is actually 7. So let us suppose if I'll erase it first. So as you can see, this is 7 root 3 plus EC. EC is nothing but 7 meters. So hence the value is 7 root 3 plus 1 meters at the end. So hence at the end we get the answer as the height of the tower is actually 7 root 3 plus 1 meters. And this is nothing but the answer of this particular question. So hence the question number 6th answer is nothing but 7 root 3 plus 1 meters.